Greetings. This presentation discusses about the introduction to cleaning and shaping of the root canal system. Cleaning refers to removal of all contents of root canal system before and during shaping. That may be organic substrates, microflora, bacterial byproducts, food debris, caries, denticles, pulp stones, previous root canal filling materials, and dentinal shavings. Whereas shaping serves to remove all contents of the root canal space and creates the smooth tapered opening to the terminus for three-dimensional obturation. A prerequisite to cleaning and shaping is the occlusal reduction, which helps to reduce the working length and also creates a stable reference point for working length determination. The complete removal of caries and defective restoration should also be done. This is important to prevent the canal from getting clogged with debris during instrumentation. More importantly, a pre-endodontic restoration is mandatory to keep the irrigant solution confined to the pulp space. Cleaning and shaping of the root canal system cannot be accomplished accurately unless the working length is determined precisely. The determination of an accurate working length is one of the most critical steps of endodontic therapy. Working length or endometrics is defined as the distance from a coronal reference point to the point at which canal preparation and obturation should terminate. There are several ways to obtain a working length. The first thing is digital tactile sense. Then we have apical periodontal sensitivity, paper point measurements, and we have radiographic methods and finally electronic methods. Among these, the radiographic method is the most commonly adopted method. But we cannot solely rely on radiographic method as it has several drawbacks. What we see on the radiograph is only the end of the root, which is the radiographic terminus. The anatomic apex is way short than the radiographic terminus. Moreover, the buccolingual curvature of the root cannot be seen in a conventional radiograph. The most clinically relevant and practical method is the combination of an electronic and radiographic methods. A good electronic apex locator can accurately determine the histological apex of the tooth, which can be then confirmed by an intraoral radiograph. However, advanced radiographic modalities such as CBCT helps to visualize the canal in different planes and to precisely measure the working length. An important concept we need to understand before we introduce a file into the canal is the pre-curving of the file. The first file, say a number 10 file, should be pre-curved at the apical 1/3 before inserting into the canal. This has several advantages. A pre-curved file helps to negotiate a curved canal. In a straight canal, it can negotiate any lateral portal of exit if present. And it also helps to remove tissue or dentin debris. One guiding strategy that has emerged as a critical part of endodontic success is the creation and maintenance of a glide path. A glide path is defined as a smooth, though possibly narrow, tunnel or passage from the coronal orifice of the canal to the radiographic terminus or electronically determined portal of exit. Its minimum size is a super loose number 10 endodontic file. The glide path must be discovered if already present in the endodontic anatomy or prepared if it is not present. The glide path can be short or long, narrow or wide, essentially straight or curved. Another important step to perform before proceeding with instrumentation is the coronal flaring. It is done using different types of instruments such as gaze Chelad, rotary files such as ProTaper SX, profile, orifice shapers, etc. It helps to straighten the canal by removing the restrictive coronal dentin. A brushing motion of the instrument in an inside-out manner is used to achieve this. Coronal flaring helps to straighten the canal. It reduces the working length and causes less stress on the files. Now the canal is ready for instrumentation. In the upcoming videos, we will be discussing in detail about instrumentation and various hand filing techniques. Thank you.